Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to know fuel level in Classic 350. First, understand that the Classic 350 does not have a precise digital fuel gauge. Instead, you'll rely on a combination of methods to accurately assess your fuel situation. We'll cover using the reserve tank, visual inspection, and tracking your mileage. This guide will help you avoid unexpected stops and ensure smoother rides. The Classic 350 features an analog fuel gauge, which offers a general idea of your fuel level but isn't highly precise. It's important not to rely solely on this gauge, as it can sometimes be inaccurate or slow to respond. Always consider it a rough estimate rather than an exact measurement. Combining this with other techniques will give you a much clearer picture. Your Classic 350 has a reserve fuel setting, which is crucial for managing your fuel. When your main tank runs low, the engine will typically sputter or lose power. At this point, switch the fuel tap to the reserve position. This reserve capacity holds about 1.5 liters of fuel, giving you an additional 30 to 40 kilometers to reach a fuel station. Always refuel as soon as possible. For a more direct assessment, open your fuel cap and visually inspect the fuel level inside the tank. Gently rocking the motorcycle can help you see the fuel slosh, providing a better estimate. Additionally, tracking your mileage after each full tank fill-up is an excellent habit. Knowing your average fuel consumption helps you predict when you'll need to refuel, especially on longer journeys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.